Hi, my name is Jeff Tibbetts. I'm the Oklahoma Land Access Program Coordinator for the Oklahoma Department of Wildlife Conservation, and today we're going to show you how to use the new OLAP Limited Access Check-in System for the close-to-home OLAP walk-in areas. To begin, you go to the Go Outdoors Oklahoma app, and you log in. And once you're logged in and you have your account synced up, you click the hamburger menu in the top left and go to Events. From here you can see OLAP check-in, and you click on that. And here is where it displays the various properties that you can access. It will show how many seats are available. These are limited, so this particular tract in Cotton County has one seat available. Each user can bring one guest, so there'd be a maximum of 2 people that could access this property. So we'll go ahead and log into this one to reserve it. And you enter your date of birth, last name, and the last 4 of your social. So the next step is the vehicle registration. Once you have it in the system, you can just click the drop-down menu and select your vehicle. And then there are attestations here at the bottom that cover the rules of these walk-in areas. We're not going to bring a guest today. So this is the check-in process. When you conclude your hunt, you would check out and report game harvest. Thank you. Have a successful season out there and good luck.